This week, we have reviewed all of the things that we know about fiction and nonfiction books. Today, we are going to use what we know about fiction and nonfiction books to compare them. Comparing things helps us to really understand them. If you can tell why things are alike and different, that shows that you really know all about them. We are going to think about how fiction and nonfiction books are different and come up with some ways that they are alike. So some of the differences that we have talked about. We have said fiction books tell a story. They have characters and settings. Fiction books are entertaining. There are illustrations. Fiction books have a beginning, a middle, and an end. And a lot of times, fiction books cannot really happen in real life. Some things that make nonfiction books special are that they include true facts, they have photos, they use special features, they inform the reader or teach them about something, and they usually use a photographer. Have you thought about how fiction books and nonfiction books might be alike? Let's think of some ways that fiction books and nonfiction books are alike. So I've noticed that both books have a title. Both books have a cover that usually gives us some clues about what the book will be about. Both nonfiction and fiction books will have an author who's in charge of writing and an illustrator who's in charge of the drawings or who's in charge of the photos. You can find both fiction books and nonfiction books in the library. We make connections. That means that we think about our own lives when we read fiction books and when we read nonfiction books. Most importantly, both of these kinds of books are fun to read. I may enjoy an entertaining fiction story, or I might enjoy learning about something new. Boys and girls, today and every day, when you are reading, use what you know about fiction and nonfiction books to decide what type of book you are reading.